Today, I'll walk you through how to connect MailerLite to Make, step by step. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Make account. Open your browser, go to Make, sign in, and open your workspace. Once you're in, you'll want to open or create a scenario. Head over to Scenarios in the left menu. Then click Create a new scenario or open an existing one if you already have one started. On the scenario canvas, click the plus button to add a module. This opens the app selection window where you'll search for MailerLite. Type MailerLite in the search bar, then select the MailerLite app from the list. Now choose a module type that matches what you want MailerLite to do. Common options include watch subscribers as a trigger, create a subscriber, update a subscriber, add or remove from group, search subscribers, or create campaign. Pick the one that fits your automation. Next, click Add Connection or Create Connection to link MailerLite to Make. You'll need your MailerLite API key, so open a new tab and log into your MailerLite account. Go to Integrations or Developer API Settings, then copy your API key. Return to Make and paste that API key into the connection field, then click Save or Continue. Make will verify your API key, and once it's accepted, MailerLite is connected. You'll then select that connected MailerLite account inside your module. Now, configure the module by filling in the required fields depending on your chosen action. This usually includes the email address, name, groups, tags, or campaign settings. If you're pulling data from other modules, map it here. For example, connect a form submission to the subscriber email field, a name field to the subscriber name, or a checkbox to a group assignment. Click OK or Save to confirm the module is added to your scenario. To test the connection, click Run once and trigger a test event, like a form submission or sample data. Then open your MailerLite dashboard and confirm the subscriber or action was created correctly. If something fails, check your API key validity, permissions, or field mapping. Once everything works, turn on the scenario by enabling scheduling for continuous automation and save your scenario in the scenario builder. Remember to maintain the connection over time. Reconnect if the API key changes or expires. And that's it. MailerLite is now successfully connected to Make. You can automate subscriber management, campaigns, and email workflows directly inside your scenarios. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.